Today, we're going to open the GeekGear Wizardry monthly subscription box for November 2020. So for those of you who have opened these with me before, welcome back. If you're new here, this is a monthly subscription box, like I said, and if there's a house-related item in here, it will be Ravenclaw, because that is my house. And the November box traditionally is a Christmassy themed or winter themed box, because they always try to get it out in November, so then that way you have it before Christmas. So I'm really excited to see what they have in here. I really haven't seen many spoilers for this, but let's go ahead and dive right in. Ooh, and right on top we have our shirt. This is really different. I like this a lot. So it's Hogsmeade with Hedwig with a little like scrolly parcel with the moon in the background and snow, and I love that. I think that is so different. They really haven't done a shirt like this. I love that it's got the hog's head here and you see all the little chimneys with the snow-topped roofs. Super cute. It would have been kind of nice if this would have done like a navy shirt, so it would have seemed more, I don't know, winter night sky, but I do like it on the black as well. But yeah, this is really cute. It's a good start to the box. All right. Ooh, I see a box with a tree on it. Let's see what we've got. Oh, what is this? Okay. So I think it's an ornament. Oh! Oh, that's different. So we got a little Veritaserum ornament for the tree. That's clever. I like that they did the little wax strips on the top and the little fake wax seal and the Veritaserum sticker. Little baubles. Yeah, that's super cute. Very different. Very cute. That'll be good on my tree. Okay. Ooh, I don't know what this is. Let's see. Oh. This seems like it's made of, I don't know, fleece or felt or something, just from the like squishiness through the package. Oh, I think we got a stocking. Okay, so they gave us a stocking a couple years ago that were house related, and they were okay. They tried. But this one is really different. So it's got the 4 houses represented, and I don't know how well you guys are going to be able to see this, but it's like a Slytherin holding a package, a Ravenclaw holding a package, a Hufflepuff, and a Gryffindor all holding a package. So that's really different. And it is like a fleecy felt, and then it has the really soft furry top on it in the black. So that's cute. That's very different. I like the concept they were going for here. I don't know if I'll use it, but it is really cute. It's different. Oh, another little box. Oh, this has got the ears like Fred and George were using in Grimwald Place. Is this an extendable ear? Oh my god, it is. That is so funny. Oh. Oh my god, these are so funny. These are really well done. Okay, so this is like a silicone, almost like tubing here, so it would be like an actual extendable ear. And then we've got the little, I don't know if these are just like resin or what, but these are awesome. And I actually might put this on my tree, hanging it like kind of offset, because that's really funny. Those are really, really well done. Yeah, I'm not sure. I might do something else with those, but those would be cute on my tree too. But those are really fun. It's probably my favorite item in the box so far. Oh, I think they gave us some Christmas cards again, which I always like because it's hard to find magical Christmas cards. Happiness can be found even in the darkest of times if one only remembers to turn on the Christmas lights. That's really cute. And very true for this year with how lovely 2020 has been. That's a nice big card, so that's really cute. There's a couple more things in here. Oh, I think maybe there's another card. Oh, it's got the Mirror of Erised on it. Let's see. So we've got the Mirror of Erised. It's got Crookshanks and a little Santa hat and a tree, some presents, and it's blank inside. That's really cute. That might be what Hermione sees when she looks in there, at least for Christmas. Okay. Lots of wiggly worms. Let's see. Okay, I'm not even going to bother opening that because they're never a winner. I'll open it later. Oh, I think that's our cheat sheet. I'll set that aside because I think there is still at least a print in the box. Oh. And we got a charm too. Okay, we'll get to the charm in a second. So we got a Triwizard Tournament Black Lake print with little Grindylows and Harry using the gillyweed. Yeah, that's different. It's not my favorite print they've ever done, but it is really different. I do like that. Okay, so... Oh my gosh, this charm is so tiny. It's a little broom. That's super cute. I think it's supposed to be a Nimbus 2000. But that's super cute. It's really, really tiny. I feel like it might kind of get lost on the charm bracelet, but we'll see. Okay, so let's get to the cheat sheet. Ooh, they jazzed the cheat sheet up. It says, "Hello there, you magical creatures. A massive thank you from all of us here at GeekGear for purchasing the GeekGear Wizardry box. It's our hope that these items we have designed and carefully packed into your box this month bring some joy and magic to your door. Thank you for being a part of our ever-growing family, and we hope you love the items as much as we love you." So there's the exclusive Wizardry Winter Wonderland t-shirt, which I do really like the t-shirt. Licensed and exclusive Triwizard Challenge egg print. Okay, so that is a licensed print. It's different. Like I said, it's not my favorite print they've ever had, but it's not bad. The exclusive seasonal greetings cards ×2. Those are super cute. The exclusive Christmas tree potion bauble, so the little Veritaserum bottle. Exclusive Wizardry uniforms Christmas stocking. Okay. Exclusive eavesdropping ears replicas, and exclusive monthly charm of a Wizardry broom. So, let's see what they got on the back here. Oh, they tried to make it kind of Quibbler style, I think. So we have Psychic Services. It says, what do the fates have in store with you? Book today for your reading. We use our inner eye to see the future. Lost toad found. If you have lost a toad, please contact, and there's a number there. Love potion. Unlucky in love? Find your own love with our incredibly powerful love potion. Warning, may induce obsessive behaviors. And then it says, werewolf, there wolf. But not for much longer. With our patented Wolfsbane potion, your lycanthropy is but a minor inconvenience to tight-fitting clothes for all of 5 seconds. This kicks in. Minty fresh aftertaste too. And then it says, subscribe to GeekGear. Yes, I want to subscribe to GeekGear. So that's really cute that they kind of made this Quibbler style because there's the little subscription on the back. So that's really cute. I'm not going to say this is their best holiday box they've ever had, but I do think that this is clever. The color's a little different. I do really like the Hogsmeade shirt, and I love the extendable ears. I think the cards are always fun because, like I said, it is hard to find Harry Potter Christmas cards and things like that. But these extendable ears are amazing. Hands down, my favorite item in this box. I feel like Fred and George would definitely be on the other end of this, so this is really cute. And the stocking is a clever idea. It's just not my favorite design. But it is really fun. So yeah, I think overall this was a good box. It's not their best box they've had most recently because they've had some pretty decent boxes. But I definitely would still give this an A. They definitely, went with a holiday theme, and it's definitely different stuff than what you would normally see out there. So let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.